In 1976, two young innovators in a garage embarked on a mission that would forever change how we interact with technology. This was a time when computers were massive, expensive, and inaccessible to the average person. But Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak had a vision to make computing personal and affordable. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak founded Apple, redefined personal computing, and sparked a revolution that transformed the world. Their partnership combined Jobs' entrepreneurial spirit and Wozniak's technical genius, creating a synergy that would lead to groundbreaking innovations. The journey began in a small garage in Cupertino, California. This unassuming space became the birthplace of a technological revolution, symbolizing the humble beginnings of what would become a global powerhouse. Here, Jobs and Wozniak built the Apple I, a hand-assembled personal computer unlike anything on the market. It was a simple yet powerful machine that laid the foundation for future innovations. Priced at $666.66, the Apple I was sold as a kit to hobbyists. This price point made it accessible to a new generation of tech enthusiasts who were eager to explore the possibilities of personal computing. But it marked the first step toward democratizing computing for the average person. The Apple I showed that computers didn't have to be confined to corporate environments or research labs. They could be a part of everyday life. Jobs' vision and Wozniak's engineering were key in making computers more accessible to the public. Their collaboration was a perfect blend of creativity and technical prowess, setting the stage for future successes. The turning point came with the Apple II, launched in 1977. This machine was a significant leap forward, offering features that were unheard of at the time. Unlike its predecessor, it was designed for the mass market. The Apple II was not just a hobbyist's dream, but a practical tool for everyday users, making it a household name. Featuring color graphics and an easy-to-use interface, the Apple II was a huge commercial success. Its user-friendly design made it accessible to people of all ages and backgrounds. It brought personal computing into homes, schools, and businesses across America. The Apple II became a versatile tool for education, business, and entertainment, changing the way people interacted with technology. For the first time, everyday people had access to a computer, revolutionizing work, education, and entertainment. The Apple II's impact was profound, laying the groundwork for the digital age we live in today. Steve Jobs wasn't just an innovator, he was a visionary with a unique sense of design and branding. His ability to foresee the potential of personal computing and his commitment to excellence set Apple on a path to greatness. He believed in the power of user-friendly technology that could change the world. Jobs' focus on simplicity and elegance in design made Apple products stand out in a crowded market. Apple's early branding and iconic products, from the Apple II to the groundbreaking Macintosh, reflected this philosophy. Each product was a testament to Jobs' vision of making technology intuitive and accessible. Jobs' commitment to simplicity, design, and functionality set Apple apart from its competitors and created a new standard for personal technology. His influence can still be seen in Apple's products today. From its humble garage origins to becoming a global tech giant, Apple has continually redefined the way we live, work, and communicate. The company's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and vision. The personal computer revolution started with the Apple I and Apple II, but continues today with innovations that have reshaped the digital world. Apple's legacy is one of constant evolution and groundbreaking advancements. Subscribe to emgotv1 for more stories on the companies that changed history. Stay tuned for more insights into the tech giants that have shaped our modern world. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the corporations that shaped modern technology. Join us as we explore the fascinating stories behind the innovations that define our lives.